Ready? Hey guys, we're here at Back and Body Pain Relief with John. He came in last week with some back pain. John works at CrossFit Koa, so we were talking about his pain while he's working out. We checked him out last week. How you feeling after last week's camp?
Honestly, Doc, I told you before walking into the doors, eons better. Of course, I was still able to do things last week, but again, I came on Monday. It's now 4 days later, and I'm feeling really nice. I mean, again, it's the mobilization, it's the consistency coming here. It's great, Doc.
You were able to work out yesterday, right?
I was able to work out yesterday. I took it easy, obviously, but again, it's focusing on the mobilization part prior to working out and taking it easy during it, and I felt really good.
Yeah. So we walked on some mobilization techniques last week, right?
So,
and he used those before his workout, and we're going to do some more of that today while he's here as well. But first, we're going to adjust him, so we're going to just work on his whole back from there. So we were talking earlier about another person in the gym who killed that workout versus everybody else. This guy Brandon. Shout out to you, Brandon. Good job. Come on.
No, not good. Sorry.
Okay, so a little bit pulled up short here. So we're looking at his legs to take a look at his pelvis, his pelvic alignment, see what we need to do to work with that today. Palpate, feel his back, see what we have to work with. Some tightness in his low back we'll be working on, as well as his mid back. Okay. Let's get you turning and facing this way. Come on, easy, that's good. Let's go the other way. So what's good is his back is actually a lot more relaxed today. Last week, the lower muscles, the back muscles of the low back were very tight. Scooch forward. Good. Good. It's moving well. Face down. Let's get you on your stomach one more time. Okay. Deep breath. Blow it out. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good. Face up. Let's check the neck. So feeling a bit of restriction in the neck, like right in there. Trying to just mobilize this joint. One of the ways we figure out how to move, what we need to move for the day. So nice, relaxed. Excellent. Let's check the other side, see if we get good motion. Feeling a little restriction right there. So we're not going to just move everything. We're going to use one finger on that one joint. Good. So a lot of times when people see people getting adjusted, it looks very similar each time, but a lot of times where your contact is with your hand makes a big difference. Think of watching a guitar player. It always looks like this, but what are these fingers doing? And that's very specific in changing the note. Come on up. Right there. There. So as we work one face down, it was a little bit of restriction. It didn't move completely, so we're going to try it a little bit more this way. Deep breath in. Blow it out. Roll back down. Relax back. Move easy that way. All right, so we'll see you soon, guys.